My Whirlpool refrigerator has the W10873791 ice maker. The unit is not making ice. I went to replace the ice maker, and it did not fix the problem. Is there a way to put this ice maker into a harvest?
When did you last replace your fridge's water filter? How old is the fridge?
Replaced last year and it's about 8 to 10 years old.
How long has this been going on with your ice maker? What have you tried so far?
About 1 month and I just said I replaced the ice maker.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues with your appliance. I understand how frustrating that must be. So hopefully we can get this resolved quickly. Note, however, I'll also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in my responses, so do not panic, just wait for my reply. May I have the appliance's model number, please? If you open the fresh food section door, the model/serial tag should be on the interior wall near the top.
106.511355610.
Thank you. Give me a few minutes to pull up any information on this model. I am also assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses, do not panic, just wait for my reply. If you look in the top of the ice maker in the cube cavities, does it have any water or ice in the cube cavities at this time?
No. Can this ice maker be forced into harvest?
No, this ice maker cannot be forced into a harvest mode, as it is all controlled via the refrigerator's main control board.
Can I get a diagnostic mode sheet to run the tests or let me know what I need to do?
You should have one on the unit. It will be one of 3 places: behind the kick plate or in the upper left or right hinge covers.
Through the control board, the valve can be activated to see if I have a clog somewhere?
I'm not 100% sure on this model if it can be or not. But you can always disconnect the water line from the valve and blow through it to see if it is restricted or not.
Okay, but the board will put the ice maker into harvest?
No, the control board will not advance the ice maker into a harvest mode.
Okay, so why would I pull out the diagnostic sheet? Can you please tell me what are my options to test?
Hey, you asked if you can I get a diagnostic mode sheet to run the tests or let me know what I need to do? So all I did was answer that question. And most likely, if the ice maker has no ice or water in the cube cavities, you have a bad secondary dual water inlet valve that has failed on the ice maker side. And the entire secondary water valve will need to be replaced. The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee for an entire year. And offer a full 1-year warranty. Click here.
Okay, so I cannot test the ice maker to make certain I did not get a defective unit?
Correct. As I stated earlier, you are not able to manually cycle the ice maker on this style of ice maker.
Are there any electrical tests on this ice maker alone that will tell me if it's a good unit?
You can test it to see if it is getting the required 14 volts DC.
If it is not, then we have a bad main control board?
Yes, that is correct.
Thanks.
No problem. Always glad to assist you anytime. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me. Master Tech. Have a safe rest of the week and weekend. I have to be the last to post or the question will not close. Thank you. Stay safe. Woody.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.